It's TST quick tip time. Let's take a look at a VISI product and a technique we call open edges glow. Do you have knitted sheet bodies that you can't quite find those open edges? This technique will help you glow those lines and make them really apparent. So this is a knitted sheet body. We're gonna go to System Settings. The glow lines on highlight is really gonna help this stand out to us. With these settings set, we can go into Wireframe, Draw Edges. We're going to use the option of Select all peripheral edges of a sheet body. And like that, we can pick those up right away. Now, that's pretty apparent, right? Big open areas. Where it's going to help is when you can't find those small inconsistencies. And like that, you have another tip that's going to help you along your way. Please like and subscribe. If you see any of these other products or solutions that make sense for you, please give us a call at 248-922-9293 or at tst-software.com.